no. Oh, he's definitely going to fall down that manhole. Alan! Alan! Ow! Alan! Alan! Ow! Alan! Someone see Marnie. Hey! There's an uncovered manhole there. Someone could have told me. Okay, boys, plankton breakover. Pull your fish fingers out. Come on. We have some scuba divers approaching. Now, you know the drill. Everyone into position. Okay? 2, 3, 4. Da-da. 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 Louder, boys, louder. Give me 4. More cello, Roger. Use the gills. Brian, I love it. I love it. You're even scaring me. Andrew, are you chewing? No. Well, I hope you bought enough for everyone. Come on, spit it out. Okay, back into positions. And a 1, and a 2. Da-da. Knife time. Knife time. Knife time. Knife time. Knife time. Knife time. I won't do it. I'm going to give you night time. Knife time. You want to play? No, you're right. I got an Xbox.
She's all leg and legs. Look at her.
Oh, I am looking at her.
Stop looking at her.
You just told me to look at her.
Ow.
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 Ow. I was trying to be clover. Hey, Keith, do that thing where you fart through your head. All right, then. Oh, mate, that was wicked. You know it.
Excuse me, I'm having a bit of trouble with me wing. I think it's broken. Can anyone help?
Do I know anyone who can help? Gather round, brothers and sisters, join me. Are you ready to receive the healing? Ready to receive? No. He's doing it. Oh, it's so funny. I know. What's my ready? Yeah. Okay. Thanks for saying that. One of us, right? What's it the ball? Alan!
Would you just like to open wide, sir?
Okay.
You going anywhere nice on your holidays? Yeah. Don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley, she's got family in the zoo over there. You got kids? Please don't talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. Do the filling here, actually, at the back. Is it mainly bananas you eat? I won't tell you again, sir. Please don't try and speak when I'm working inside your mouth. Right, I'm sure a cheeky little taste. That's not bad, actually. What's done, just need to smell your breath. Oh, God, that is rank. I think I need to lie down. I don't know, I don't seem to have a lot of luck with women. I mean, I'm kind and caring and... That's a mystery, that.
I'm Wolverine! I'm Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! You can't get me a Wolverine! Sabretooth!
Fuck it in. You know I'm working nights.
Cheer up, Trev. I'm all right, Bernie. Here, catch you. This fella and a giraffe walk into a bar. Giraffe goes to sleep on the floor. Partner says, "Oi, what's that lion there?" Fella says, "It's not a lion, it's a giraffe." Giraffe. You crack me up, Trev.
Oh, what a day. Network crash, lost my wallet, phone's run out of battery. Couldn't get any worse.
Cracking stuff.
Oh, that's not Alan. Steve!
John, I don't think we're allowed to wear.
It's fine, just keep a lookout.
What was that? That was me tip.
Whoa! Where did all these come from?
You know me, lads, I can't weave with an audience.
Oh, I tell you what. I don't like that man who's just moved in next door. Oh, he's really creepy.
Hello. Could I trouble you for a cup of sugar, please?
Hey, Darren, have you tried that new toothpaste?
Yeah, it's horrible. Are you sure it's not Bubble Bath?
Of course it's not, you idiot. Norman, have you tried the new toothpaste?
Yeah, it's disgusting. It's made my gums go all numb. I've lost control of my lips.
Oh, I think it's nice. Minty fresh.
Excuse me, mate. I think you're in my stand.
Can't you just stand somewhere else, mate?
No, look, I've reserved this space here. Could you move?
No, I'm not moving. You move.
Are you going to move or not?
No.
Right. That's it.
Whoa, get off.
Just move, will ya?
You move.
Oh, just move.
You move.
Oh, move.
You move.
Move.
You move.
Move.
You move.
Sid,
Who's that?
this is your conscience, Sid.
What?
You've been a very naughty boy, Sid.
I ain't.
Leaving dead banana skins on the floor so people slipped on them.
No, I didn't. The bin bag it ripped.
Bin bags to dispose of biodegradable banana skins? You
What?
must be punished. And gets him every time. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, I didn't think you'd do it.
Copacabana. Music and fashion is always the passion at the core. Hey, are you filming me in the bath? Get out. Oh, wait, man, I'm naked. You better not put it on YouTube.
Oh, Kevin, that's a lovely tribute. I just miss him, Mum.
Should have had that type of coffee. I can't even blink anymore, and I can hear my heartbeat in my ears. I don't get it. Mary had the same as me, and she went to bed hours ago.
Tell me about it. I tried to go to bed, but then I ended up bringing one of those late night quiz thingies. Name something a woman keeps in her handbag.
What was it? A mouse?
That's what I said. Then I said phone, lipstick, taxi numbers.
What was the answer?
Spatula. They're just making them up now.
Dave, take your headphones out. I'm stuck in this. Dave, take your headphones out. Dave, I'm stuck. I've got my foot stuck in this. Dave. David. David, wait, I've got my feet stuck in the mud. Dave, I've got my feet stuck in the mud. Dave, take your headphones out. Dave, come on.
So, it's that time again. I've got a very tough decision to make. I'm thinking about my organisation and where you might slot it. Okay, I've made my decision. Andrew, with regret, you're tired.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, Sir Alan.
Wait for it. Wait. It's coming up. Coming up.
I know a song that'll get on your nerves, get on your nerves, get on your nerves. I know a song that'll get on your nerves, get on your nerves, get on your nerves. I know a song that'll get on your nerves, get on your nerves, get on your nerves. I know a song that'll get on your nerves, get on your nerves, get on your nerves.
I know a song that will get on your knees, get on your knees, get
Oh,
on your knees.
Barry, it's nerves. Doesn't work with knees.
I hear the drums echoing tonight, but she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in trumpeted by the bullet wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. Oh, this guy's great! I love this song. Go on, sing it. Hoping to find some long forgotten words, salvation melodies. He turned to me. say. Hurry, boy, it's waiting there for you.
Brilliant. That's why I hang around with these
Oh, these guys know how to party.
It's gonna